Well, hey everyone, it's 777, and I got a couple questions last night about the Fly More combo bag, which is this guy right here. So people were asking like, well, how do you get your drone in here? How does it fit in? And can you put it in with a protective case? And both of those things are true. So I'm going to show you some things about this case that you guys may not know. The number one thing being is there's a large pouch in the very back. This thing here is like opens up like a big kind of like a gym bag almost, and you can actually fit quite a bit inside the very side of this thing, which is very interesting. So right now I just have all my cables and stuff in this little side pouch, and when you put it all together it kind of is like this. If you take a look at this little tag that comes with your bag, it'll show you kind of the configuration of how you're supposed to put the drone in the inside. And when you have it in this configuration, you don't have it in the protective case right here. So there's a little top shelf that you put the drone into, and your controller goes up here. Take that out, and underneath both of those things are all your batteries. I've got one battery, two battery, and then the chargers go right in here. I have all my blades in this front pocket right here. I have two sets of blades from the Fly More combo. So let me put the Mavic Air back into its little pod here. So you have this kind of open thing. I'm going to close this up and put this on its side. This is almost like looks like a purse. So this, your Mavic in the secondary protective case can go in just like that, and then this is what your bag is going to look like afterwards. So you kind of have this kind of flatness here, and then this kind of bulging protrusion thing here. And I don't think this is actually intended to go in here, but just want to let you guys know that it is something that is possible. But carrying this is going to look a little awkward. It's a little weird. So anyway, I thought I would give you guys just a quick little update on that, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.